Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at how to actually parse markdown and convert this into a PDF document. So this is actually the application that you can see on your screen. We having a text area and we are actually allowing the user to copy paste the markdown, and we have a button out there, convert to PDF. So we have copy pasted this markdown here. Markdown is a special file. You can see it has an extension of MD, and so we have this button. So if I click this button, you will actually see this markdown will be successfully parsed first of all, and it will be converted to HTML, and then it will be converted to PDF using PDFMake open source library. And for converting this markdown into HTML, we are using a library, a markdown parser, which is markdown-it. So let me show you the dependencies that we are using. Markdown-it is a markdown parser. It's an open source parser which allows you to actually parse the markdown and convert that markdown into HTML first of all, and then that HTML is converted to PDF using this open source library, which is PDFMake. PDFMake is an open source PDF client-side generation JavaScript library. We are using this as well, and also we are using HTML. In order to parse the HTML, we are using this library, which is HTML2 PDFMake, which is a library which is used to actually insert the HTML that is generated to PDF. So we are using this library as well. You will see it's a Node.js module. It has 63,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, uh, we will start building this application from scratch. So first of all, I have included all the CDNs. We have included CDN for the Bootstrap, which is used for building the user interface. We have included the CDN for markdown-it, which is a markdown parser, PDFMake, which is a PDF generation library, and also HTML to PDF library as well. So all the source code will be given in the description of this video. So I've just copy pasted all the CDN. So now for building the interface of the application, we will have the container class of Bootstrap, and inside this we will have a heading here which is markdown to PDF app, and inside this we will have the form group class, and here we'll be allowing the user to enter the markdown. So here we'll be simply be saying that enter markdown. So we will have a text area. You basically give an ID here to this so that we can target in JavaScript, and we will give it a bootstrap class of form control, and rows I will give it as 10. So if you open this now in the browser, it will look something like this. A text area will be there, and also we need a button to submit the form. So it will simply say that convert to PDF, and it will have a class here btn primary, and give it an ID here, button. So it will look, the interface will look something like this. And after this, now we'll be writing the custom JavaScript code right here. So we'll just make a script tag, and inside this I will just make an external file here, so script.js. So right here just make a script.js file. So here we'll be writing the JavaScript code. So first of all, we need to get the reference of the element button. We have given an ID to the button. So when we click the button, we'll bind this event handler. So when we click the button, this callback function will execute. So first of all, we need to get the markdown which is entered by the user. So for that, we will be getting the reference of the element. So document dot get element by ID. So we have given the input, the text area and the ID here, markdown input. So we can directly get the value by dot value. So whatever the value the user enter inside the text area, which it will be get inside this variable. So now we need to parse and convert the markdown to HTML. So for that we will be using that library markdown parser. So window dot, you can access that library using markdown.it. This is the name of the parser or library which actually parses the markdown and convert that into HTML. So this is actually the function, and now we will actually get this. You can initialize the markdown parser, and it actually contains a function which is render, which actually does the logic here, which actually converts the markdown into HTML. So here this render function takes the argument markdown input as an argument, and now it will give you the HTML. You can console log it just to cross check. So if you open this now and you need to paste the markdown, so if you paste your markdown, click on this button and check in the console, you will actually see it will return you the HTML here. So it will actually parse and convert this markdown, and you will see this HTML is there. So now our job is to insert this HTML in the PDF document. So after we get this HTML, we will actually use the second library which is used, which is HTML2 PDFMake. This is actually the library which will take the HTML and insert that into the PDF document. So we will have this, in order to download the PDF document, we'll need to define the document, and inside the content property, we need to insert this PDF content that we are getting in the previous step. And now we can essentially download the PDF document by writing this code here, which is PDFMake, and it contains a function which is create PDF. And here we will need to pass the document definition, and we need to open it automatically. So this completes the application. So if you refresh your application and paste the markdown and click on this button convert to PDF, so it is saying that HTML to PDF make is not a function. Just make sure that you, okay, here T is capital, so just make sure T is capital right here. So T is capital, P is capital. So this was just a typo mistake. So if I again open this and paste the markdown, and click on this button, so now you will see your markdown will first be converted into HTML, and then that HTML will be converted into the PDF document that you guys seeing right here. So everything has been, you can see, has been converted to PDF here. So you can paste any markdown right here in the text area, click on the button, and you will see your HTML will be converted to PDF like this. So all the source code will be given in the description. So whatever source code that I used in this video, so you can go to the description and get the full source code. And apart from that, you can go to freemediatools.com and check out the tools that I deployed here. So it is related to audio, video and video. So you can check out these tools as well. And please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.